Welcome back to the Hack Guy channel. So I stumbled upon this peculiar Discord server where there's this one person who seems to be typing endlessly. It got me thinking that I haven't actually shown you how to achieve this typing forever effect. But before we dive in, I want to make it crystal clear that this method goes against Discord's terms of service. So if you're feeling mischievous, be aware that there's a risk of having your Discord account terminated. Please refrain from flooding my DMs with tears if you decide to exploit this and end up getting banned. Alright, let's get started. To follow along with this tutorial, open Discord on your browser and press Ctrl plus Shift plus F12 or I on your keyboard. This will bring up the console, and we want to navigate to the Network tab. Once you're there, click any channel and start typing as shown. You will see Typing Event in the Network tab. Click on Typing, further scroll down. You will see the Authentication ID. Don't share this ID to anyone, or your account might get compromised. Now copy this ID and go to this site Insomnia. We're using Insomnia. Once you've created an account on Insomnia, download the software and open it. Click New Collection. Then select New HTTP Request. Click on Get Here. Select Post, then copy and paste this link here at Post section. Link is in the description. Then click on Headers. Type authorization in the header section. And copy and paste your authorization token at Value section. And we are almost done. Now head back to Discord, open User Settings. Head towards Advanced. And enable Developer Mode. This is important because we can copy and get our channel ID. Now copy the channel ID where you want to keep on typing forever. For example, I'm selecting Gamers here. Right-click, copy the channel ID, come back to Insomnia. Change channel ID here, as shown. Later click on this arrow beside Send button, and click on Repeat on interval, make it 8 seconds. And click on Start. Now you're always typing forever, on that channel forever, as you can see. To stop typing, just head back to Insomnia, and click on Cancel here. If you are interested in videos like this, consider subscribing to the Hack Guy. See you guys in the next video. Ciao!